So it is officially move-in day, the day we close on the house. Hey buddy. So it is officially move-in day, the day we close on the house, and it's 8 o'clock right now. We have both the kids in the back. Say hi.
Hi.
Are you excited to get your house? Yeah?
We're gonna be excited.
Yeah. So I'm gonna drop them off at my parents' house right now, and then we are gonna go over to the new house and do the final walkthrough. And then from there, we're gonna go and close on the house, which is super exciting. And then we're gonna start moving in a little bit after that, just kind of slowly today, and then tomorrow will be like the full-on move-in day. But can't believe the day finally came. Oakley, are you excited?
Yeah.
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 Whoa. What do you think?
You.
Do you like it?
Yeah.
You think you can live here?
Yeah.
You do. We're gonna put your breakfast table over there, and that's where we're gonna eat breakfast in the morning. What do you think, Smokes? Which is nice.
Look what you can see, Emerson.
What can you see? The clubhouse and the swimming pool? Pretty cool, huh? Man, it's bright out here. Oaks, you wanna come upstairs?
Yes.
Okay, go ahead. Yes.
What's it called?
It's this right here. The Ecobi or Ecobi.
Careful, Emmy. This one's your room.
Hi,
What do you think?
Wow, this is a good size.
This is your room, Amy. Look, you've got your own bathroom.
Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights. And I really wanna know if I will ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high. Even if the sky is falling down. Jumping from cliffs so high, trusting our wings to fly. Sometimes we're crashing down, but we get up and start from the ground. And I really wanna know if I will ever figure out where the road goes.
I wanted to give you guys an update on how everything is going. The dishwasher's going in the background and Andrew is putting up the TV, so there's a lot of background noise. But it is, what day is today? Today is Thursday. We officially closed on the house on Monday, so we've had the house for 4 days, which is amazing to think about because it feels like it's still so fresh and brand new. We have a lot of work still to do. We have gotten, where's the couch? The couch set up. We've gotten the kids' bedroom set up, and I'll do a whole video, I think, going through all of that and showing you how everything is set up. But for now, I just wanted to update you. So I'm working on the kitchen right now. There's pretty much all of it to do. We went to the townhouse today and got everything out of the pantry finally. I wasn't able to put the dishes away in the cabinets because I needed my risers to help me kind of organize and stack dishes on top of dishes and things like that. I'll show you guys what that looks like in a second. But there's a lot of work to do, so let me show you. These 2 boxes are unpacked, but everything else is still full and needs to be unpacked. Here is the kitchen. I'm about to fill up the diffuser. All of this is pantry stuff that needs to be put away in the pantry. And then in here is more pantry stuff and just kitchen. So these were what I was waiting on. I forgot to bring them from the townhouse, but these are the organizers, and I like to use these right here to put like plates underneath and then put bowls on top of. It just helps to utilize vertical space. So yeah, there's a lot left to do. We did get this from Lowe's, I believe, and this is gonna go in the pantry to put our spices in. Previously, I had used this really inexpensive shoe organizer from, I believe I just got it from Walmart, but you can get them from anywhere. And it did work really great, but we wanted to, since it's more of a permanent house, we wanted to get more of a permanent solution. So I'm excited to get that put up someday. And then this, let's see if I can give you a better look. This I just picked up at Walmart, and they are removable adhesive kind of like liners, and I'm gonna put it under the kitchen sink. This is raw wood, and I'm hoping that the adhesive will stick, but it's kind of yucky, and I don't want this at all. I want to make it cute and pretty, so I'm gonna do the best that I can and work around that stuff and line all of this so I can put my under the kitchen sink supplies. And then another thing that I just bought today from Walmart is this welcome mat. It was only $12, and I actually think it looks really cute right here with the red front door. I didn't love the red front door when we first moved here, but it's totally growing on me, and I love that little welcome mat. And then we just have, for now, one of our Adirondack chairs, and then my fiddle leaf.
So I got what I deserved, you know it. I wanted it to hurt, so wrong of me to cross that line. If I could, I would push rewind. It's my fault, I'll give you my heart, you can crush it, moving on. I'll be on my way if you want it. I surrender to you. Yes, I am waving the white flag. I surrender to you. Yes, I am waving the white flag. Waving the white flag.
Andrew and Emmy just ran to my mom's house to get something that we'd forgotten over there. So Oakley just woke up from his nap. It is around 4 o'clock, and I have all of that breakable stuff over there. I was like right smack in the middle of packing or unpacking. So I got Oakley some grapes, some goldfish, and some water and a movie. Hopefully I can get this done.